This is my Walgreens haul for 6/15 through 6/21 of 2025. I did do 6 separate transactions, and I did roll in a $4 register reward towards my first transaction to help lower my out-of-pocket. I also had a $5 off any first aid purchase, and so that's what I did for the hydrogen peroxide. So let's go ahead and get into it with the first transaction. So for my first transaction, I did the Colgate Optic White deal. So these are priced at $4 each. So for 2 of them, it was $8. I wrote in a $4 register reward I had from last week. And then I also used a $3 off 2 coupon that was on the Walgreens app, bringing my subtotal down to only $1. And then after tax, I paid $1.68. So I paid $1.68 out of pocket, and then I received back a $4 register reward to use towards my next transaction. For my second transaction, I did the Carefree pad deal, and these are priced at $10.99, and when you buy one, you're going to receive back a $5 register reward. So I picked up one, and then I wrote in the $4 register reward I got from my first transaction from the Colgate toothpaste deal, and then I also had a $3 off coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing my subtotal down to only $3.99. I paid $3.99 out of pocket, and then I received back the $5 register reward to use towards my next transaction. For my third transaction, I did the Colgate Optic White mouthwash deal. These are priced at $4 each, so for 2 of them, the total is going to be $8. And then I rolled in the $5 register reward I got from the Carefree pads from the previous transaction, and I also used a $3 off 2 coupon from the Walgreens app. So that brought my subtotal down to 0, which was completely free, and all I had to do was pay for taxes. So after tax, my total was only 68 cents. And then plus, after I paid the 68 cents for taxes, I received back a $4 register reward to use towards my next transaction. For my fourth transaction, I did the Crest and Oral-B deal. So the deal is when you buy 3, you're going to receive back a $5 register reward. So what I did was I picked up 2 Crest mouthwash priced at $4 each and a Oral-B toothbrush priced at $3.50. I rolled in a $4 register reward that I received from my previous transaction for the Colgate mouthwash. I used a $2 off 2 coupon for the Crest mouthwash, and I used a $1 off coupon for the Oral-B toothbrush. That brought my subtotal down to only $4.50. After taxes, my total came out to $5.48. I rolled in $1 in Walgreens cash I had available because I finally got $1, because each time that you spend money at Walgreens, you do earn a little bit of money for each transaction. So I finally had $1, so I rolled in $1 from Walgreens cash. So out of pocket, I paid only $4.48. After I paid the $4.48, I received back a $5 register reward to use towards my next transaction. For my fifth transaction, I did the Colgate deal again, and as you notice, I did the Colgate deals all in separate transactions, and I did not use the register reward to pay for the other ones with it, because what would happen is if you use the register reward to pay for the same items for the same promotion, you will not receive the $4 or the register reward. So just make sure that if you do these deals, you do not use that register reward to pay for the same brand product, because you will not receive that register reward. So for my fifth deal, I did the Colgate toothpaste deal again, and these are priced at $4 each. So for both of them was $8. I wrote in the $5 register reward I got from the Crest and Oral-B deal, and then I also used a $3 off 2 coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing my subtotal to 0, which is completely free. So I had to pay tax of 68 cents, so I paid 68 cents out of pocket for taxes, and then I received back a $4 register reward to use towards my next transaction. For my sixth and final transaction, what I did was the Walgreens brand hydrogen peroxide. Those are on sale this week for buy one, get one half off. And I did the Arm & Hammer, which is on sale for $1.88. So what I did was I had a $5 off any first aid purchase. So that's why I got 7 bottles to get my total a little bit over the $5. And then I used a $4 register reward from my previous transaction for the Colgate toothpaste deal. So that brought my subtotal down to only 19 cents. After taxes, I paid 55 cents. So I paid 55 cents out of pocket for all this. And I did not get any rewards back for this transaction. But that's okay. So next week, I'll start off with $0 in Walgreens cash and $0 register rewards. But this is not a bad deal. 55 cents for all of this.